Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a successful application with Princeton Review, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your academic goals and aspirations. Identify the specific programs or schools you want to apply to. Visit the Princeton Review website for resources and tools tailored to your needs. Register for an account on Princeton Review for personalized access. Explore the college admissions section for comprehensive application advice. Utilize their college search tool to find institutions that match your criteria. Review the standardized tests required for your chosen programs. Consider enrolling in Princeton Review test prep courses to boost your scores. Create a timeline outlining application deadlines for each school. Prepare your resume, highlighting your academic achievements and extracurricular activities. Gather recommendation letters from teachers or mentors who know you well. Craft a compelling personal statement that reflects your personality and goals. Seek feedback on your personal statement from trusted individuals. Utilize Princeton Review's editing services to polish your application essays. Fill out the application forms meticulously, ensuring all information is accurate. Double-check all documents for completeness before submission. Submit your applications well before the deadlines to avoid last-minute issues. Prepare for interviews by practicing common questions with friends or mentors. Research the programs you're applying to, so you can speak knowledgeably during interviews. Stay organized by keeping a checklist of submitted applications and necessary follow-ups. After applying, monitor your email closely for responses from admissions offices. Reflect on your experiences and continue engaging in relevant activities during the waiting period. Celebrate your hard work, regardless of the outcome. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.